Hi, Version. Hi, Version. How are you?
Doing good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. So today we are doing a lesson on greatest common factor and least common multiple. And of course, Smart Labz, our message is that our tutoring sessions are personalized for you. Okay. All right. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and move on. And I just want to make sure, are you most comfortable proceeding with audio? Would you rather use chat or, okay, thank you so much.
Good to go with audio.
Oh, and you've already understand the pen over there. So very good. And if you need some practice time with the pen, let me know. I can slow down and give you some practice time with the pen. Okay, here we go.
Yes, let's go.
All right, so I want to say one thing that's a little bit different about how Smart Labz does their tutoring, how we do our tutoring sessions. So we see the objective at the top here. You will be able to find the greatest common factor and least common multiple using multiplication facts. So first, we're going to review over some greatest common factor and least common multiple examples. Then I'm going to do two equations for you. Then we are going to do two equations. Then you're going to do a couple of equations. And then you have an exit ticket to show that you've mastered the lesson. After that, then we're going to talk about how did you feel about the lesson, and do you feel that you want more work with this lesson, because we can always do more practice if we feel that we want it, if we haven't quite mastered. But we're looking for mastery here, so let's see how we do as we go along. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So first of all, what is a factor? Can you read the blue part for me, please?
Factors are numbers we can multiply together to get another number.
Okay, great. So do you know what a factor is?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, great. So what is a greatest common factor then?
It is simply the largest of the common factor.
Okay, so a greatest common factor of 12 and 16. Let's see. First, we're going to, and I'm going to put my pen on here real quick, okay? First, I'm going to use green. First thing we're going to look at is the factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, because 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. The factors of 16 are 1 and 16, 2 and 8, and 4 and 4. So now we're looking at the greatest common factor here. So if you have so we know 1 is a factor because they match, matching factor. We know that 2 is a matching factor. 3 doesn't have 1. There's 4. And so which number is the greatest here?
4.
Very good. Yes, absolutely. You are ahead of the game. Good job, Version. Very good job. Okay, great job. Let me see. I like to get some smiley faces. So real quick, let me just give a quick smiley face here because you went above and beyond on this question. Good job. Okay, so what is a multiple? Can you please read that for me?
Okay, now
A multiple is the result of multiplying a number by another number.
Very good. Okay, and what is the least common multiple?
It's just the opposite of the previous thing which we read. It's the smallest of the common multiples.
Yes, very good. It is simply the smallest. Yes, exactly. So you see how there's a relationship between like greatest common factor and least common multiple, even though they're different. They're very, very similar as far as multiplication and factoring out numbers. Okay, so let's take a look at an example here. The multiples of 6, okay, are 1 times 6 is 6.
2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 18. 4 times 24. And 5 times 30.
Very good job. Okay, and now the multiples of 8 are
1 times 8, 2 times 8, 3 times 16. 2 times 8 is 24. 3 times is 32.
Very good. So if I was to look at the least common multiple, well, 6 and 8, no, that doesn't. 12 and 6, no. 18, 24, 24, 32, no. But yes, very good again. Woohoo! You go, girl. Okay, so the least common multiple for 6 and 8 is 24.
24.
Okay, all right. So here we go. Here's one that I'm going to do for you. So you just sit back and listen. Okay. So what is the greatest common factor of 6 and 15? So right here, I have 6, and 1 times 6 is 6, and 2 times 3 is 6. Okay.
Mhm.
And then what is the factors of 15? We have 1 and 15 and 3 times 5, right?
That will be the 5.
Yeah, 5 times 3,
5 times 3 or 3 times 5, yes.
both.
Because we've already written them there once, we don't need to write the digit there
Very
again.
nice work.
Okay.
We don't have to do like 5 and 3. We don't have to do that again, okay? Because
Okay.
they're already written right there. So those are our factors of 6 and 15. Write the common factors in the list. The factors are 1, yep, and 3.
3.
1 and 3. And
So the greatest is 3.
yes. Oh my gosh, you're amazing. You are amazing. Good job. Okay,
Thank you.
let's go to the next one. And these are my dues. Okay, so what is the least common multiple of 4 and 5? Now remember, this is kind of similar, but we're multiplying. So we're first going to look at the multiple of 4. So 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times,
8.
yep.
4.
Go ahead.
3 times 4 is 12.
Yeah.
4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 24. 7, 28. 8, 32. 9, 36. And 10 times 4 is 40.
Ooh, somebody's been practicing their multiplication tables. Good job. That was awesome. So now the multiples of 5. Can you read these out to me? 1 times 5 is?
5, 2 times 5, 10, 3 times 5, 15, 4 times 5, 20, 5 times 25, 6 times 5 is 30, 7 times 5, 35, 8 times 5, 40.
Yes, exactly. So what common, first let's take a look at what common multiples they have. They have 20,
20,
okay, and then if you want to circle the 40,
40.
because I know that you can see that down below. Good job. So the least common, or I'm sorry, the least common multiple of 4 and 5, meaning the least, not the greatest. If it was the greatest common multiple, it'd be 40, but it's the least common multiple.
So it's 20.
It is 20. Exactly. It's 20. I see you putting some marks. I'm trying to keep it a little cleaned up. So yeah, so this is the least. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. So yes, 20 is the least. I'm sorry, hold on just a second. I'm having brush issues. This is the least common multiple of 4 and, oops, let me fix that, of 4 and 5, okay? So you could write it like that. You did a great job again, and you're doing one of my I do. So extra stars, extra points to you. Okay, so this is a we do. Find the greatest common factor of 10 and 40. List the factors of 10 and 40. So here, yep, you want to underline?
Yes.
You want to go ahead and do it? So,
10.
okay, so 10
So
right here.
it's
Yeah,
Yes.
1 times 10 is 10.
2
Right.
times 10 is
Yes. 2 times 5 is 10.
2 times 5 is 10.
Yeah.
And 5 times 2 and 10 times 1. So these
Yep.
are all repeated.
Yeah. Can you do the same on the on the for 40? Can you do the same thing for 40? See if you can figure
Yeah.
out how they've got their multiples there.
1 times 40.
Okay, so then
And
put a
2
dot over
times
40.
20.
Okay, you got it.
10 times 40.
Hold on. Yeah. 10 times 40. Yeah.
And 4 times 5.
5 times 8, actually.
5 times
40.
8.
Yeah.
And 8 times 5.
Yeah.
And here,
So you're going
10.
backwards now. 10 times 2.
yeah, here.
4.
And this is 2 times and 1 time again.
Very good. Okay, so can you find, just before you look down at the next, can you find the common factors up in this list, please?
10.
It is. And you know what? I see something right here. Because we have, I just want to go ahead and circle this, and let me just get a different color really quick. Hold on. So I'm going to use like a red. So we have 1 here. We've got the number 1. And I'm just going to say, you know what? I see that on this, and you found it. Good job. And then we have 5, but there's 10 too. And so right here, the greatest common factor, yes, is 10. even though I don't see it here, you came up with it. So good job. I mean, amazing. Good job. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next one. You ready?
Yeah.
This is what we do. This is the least common multiple. So what is the least common multiple of 12 and 15? So let me help set this. Oh, you already got it. Go for it, girl. Go. Woo. Sorry.
12.
I get excited sometimes when I tutor.
It's okay.
When I get
And 12,
yeah.
15.
Very good.
So it's least common factor. So it's 12. 1 times 12 is 12, and
Good
2
job.
times 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 36.
Yep. 36. Good job.
12 times 4 is 48. 40. I'm sorry, I have issue with my pen.
No, that's okay. It's, you know, sometimes the pen, it can all give us a little, it's a little learning curve for all of us at different times. So
60.
some days I'm better with it. Some days it seems, but you're doing just fine. Take all the time you need. We're not in a rush.
Thank you. 15. So 15 times 1 is 15. And 15 times 2, 30. 15 times 3, 45.
Very good.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. That's all right. Like I said, we're not in a rush.
15 times 4 is 60.
Very good.
15 times 5, 75. 75. So the common numbers are 60.
Yes, very good. Very, very good. Yeah. And it is the least common multiple because nothing else matches.
Yeah, so
12, 15, no, none of the other, yeah, very good. Very good. Okay. We are heading into, let's see, I believe either, yeah, you do. So this one is all on your own. You can ask me questions, of course. I am here and I'm going to watch and see how you work and how you think logically through it. Okay.
Okay. So 18 and 36. So 18 is 1 times 18 is 18, and 18 times 9 times 2 is 18. 2 times 9.
Mm-hmm.
3 times 6.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Or you could also, yep, 3.
6.
Mm-hmm.
4 times, no. 6.
No.
6 times 3.
Yeah, 6 times 3. Very good.
6 times 3. And 8 times 9, no.
2 times, you said it earlier.
So 9 times 2 then.
2 times 9 is, yeah, 2 times 9 is 18. So you're kind of almost like working backwards. So no, it's 2 times 9, 3 times 6, 1 time.
Yeah. And now 36.
1, okay, what, yes, okay.
So 1 times and 2 times 18 is 36. 3 times 12 is 86. 3 times 12 is 86. 36. And 9 times 4 is 36.
That's amazing. Yes.
4.
Alright. Yes. No, that's really a very good work from you.
6 times 6.
Yes, the right answer is okay. Yay.
6 times
The
6.
final answer is 10 marks. Great job.
8.
Okay. Here we go.
9
with the next
times
question.
9 times 4. And
You may have to drop down on the line, the second line there, okay?
yeah.
Also 18,
12 times
you need to finish
3.
the last factor on 18. I'm just going to say that really quick too.
Yeah.
1 and
18.
18. On 18, 1
And
and
so, yeah. And
Good job. Keep going.
1, so it is 18.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry.
You're fine.
Thank you.
You're doing a great job.
8. Oh my god, I'm sorry.
If you want any help writing or anything, I can help you. Just all you have to do
Yeah,
that.
my pen is not writing.
Okay. All right.
18.
Well, okay. There you
And
go. Wonderful. It looks great.
36.
And you
2
left off
times
12,
is
which
8.
would be 3 times 12.
Hey,
And
great
2
job.
times what would be 36?
18.
Really
Very
good.
good.
You work on the board.
So GFC is
Yes,
18 and 19, so my answer
Yep.
is 18.
Woohoo! Good job. 100%.
Thank you.
Good job. Awesome. And I like getting a smiley face. Okay. All right. We're going to the next one. Okay. Now this is your least common multiple. Okay.
Okay.
Again, if you have any questions or need any help, I'm right here.
So it's 7 and 9. 7, 1 times 7, 2 times is 15, 3 times 21. 21. $21, 28, 35, 42, 42.
Very good. Doing a great job. Yeah, you might need a little more room. It's true.
Okay.
6. I'll write it down here.
I'm wondering how
Oh
we
my
can complete this problem this much faster.
56
That's really good.
and
Sufficient, you know.
63,
Is there one? I think is well, there is 63. Yeah.
70.
I think you did because 7 times 7 is 49. So you may want to stick that in front of the 56.
And I think we should stop by 70 because I see 170 here, nothing more than that.
Yeah, I agree with you. I agree. I'm just saying in your 7 multiplication up there, I
Okay.
just want to show you so 7 times 5, 7 times 6, 7 times 7
Okay, yes.
is 4. I just want to show you that just for future calculation.
9.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the next one. And that's okay. Okay. Keep on going. You're doing a great job.
That's marvelous.
27, 36,
I can't believe that
45,
you have completed these questions in
54,
this much of time.
Definitely been practicing your multiplication somewhere. For
54,
sure. Great job.
Very well done.
and
Yes.
63,
You know, you have scored
72,
100% in the executive listening.
81,
Oh, do you see anything yet? Does anything pop out?
90.
Anything pop up?
And see, it's more than 72, but I couldn't find any number bigger than that. It's 90. 63 is common.
Yes, 63 is the least common multiple.
So yeah.
Very good. We've got this one. We've got this one. Good job. Awesome job. Okay. All right. And I believe we're on to our, one more and then exit ticket. Okay. So find the least common multiple of 4 and 14, please.
Yeah. This is least. So
And that's
4.
you have completed all the executive questions.
1 times 4.
Right.
2 times.
You're welcome. And I would
12.
like to do
16.
one more thing, which is I'm going to give you a
20.
number, and I would like you to
24.
round the number.
Very good. I think I like, is that the highlighter one? I think I like that one better.
Yes.
I like that. Yeah.
1 times 14 is 14. And 2 times 24. Here we got it. 24 and 24. So I think it should be 24. No, 28. 28 and 28.
Yes. So 24, because 14 doubled is 28. So this right here, or that I was going to say, I was about to get a brush and do red. So this right here is, not, Okay, let me now erase that.
Yes.
Sorry.
I erased it.
Oh, okay, that's 24, but the 28, I'm sorry. That's the 28.
24 and this is not 24.
All right, so awesome job. So if you just want to fix from the 24 and make it the 28.
So
I love how quickly you compute really quickly, and so like you were able to catch it. Like, oh my God, like, oh no, it's not 24, it's 28. I can see how quick your brain is working there. So great job. Okay, here's an exit ticket for greatest common factor.
Okay, I'll do my work here.
Yes, please. Greatest common factor of 56 and 42.
56.
And this one I really can't help you at all on, so I'm going to try and
Great job again. Yes.
not talk.
Yes, that's the
1
right
time
answer.
and 2 times 28 is 56. 3 times, no, so 4 times 8.
Okay. Before we end the session, I would like to discuss a few things with you, which is how are you feeling about this tutorial?
7 times. What did I just do here?
Yes, that's you're quite confident. I can see that.
So it's 4
Do you
here.
want to keep
I'm
practicing,
sorry.
or do you feel you have mastered it? Great. Yes. And thanks for your feedback, Meenakshi. And
What if you're
you
being
can
so
fill the
slow?
feedback form.
Sorry, I just, I meant to erase the dot that was there. And
To fill the feedback form in.
4,
Thanks for joining. That's all
4
for today.
times 14, and
You're welcome, and see you in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.
7 times 8. 8 times 7. 8 times 7.
I'm running out of questions here.
14 times 4. And shall I move to the next, which is 42?
yes, do you feel, again, I'm trying not to talk as much as possible, so yes.
42. So 21. So here 1 times 42 and 2 times 21. 3 times 14. times 6 times and 7 times.
Very good.
8 and 12 times, no, 13 times 14 times 3. So
Greatest common factor.
I'll add few more numbers.
Okay.
No, it's 14. So I'll go with 14.
It's okay. If you wanted to do more numbers, I was going to let you do more numbers.
I'll go with 14.
Yes,
because
14.
I
Yep.
got the common number, which is 14.
Yep. Very, very good.
And 62 doesn't go with 16 or 22. Yeah.
No, that's 32, not 42. If you were to do that, and with 22, that doesn't go with 20. That doesn't go with that either. So 14 is definitely absolutely the correct answer.
Thank you.
Awesome. You got 100% on the exit ticket. 100, and you have another exit ticket to complete, and then we will be done. Okay. Hold on. Let's go on to the next page. What is the least common multiple of 7 and 13?
Okay. 7. 1 times 2 times is 14. And 21, 28. I think we've already done this. 7 and 13. 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is 35. 5 times is 35. 6 times is 42. 14, 9. 56. 63 and 70.
Very good.
70. So 13, I'll do it with another color. 13.
So 13, yeah, 13.
13.
Very good, using a different color.
26. 39. 3 times is 39. 4 times is 52. 5 times 65. 7 times 91. 8 times 4. So 91. No. So I should be adding more to 7th. So 77.
What is this number right here? Hold on. And I'm trying, I don't want to interrupt. So we have 39, We have 52. What is this? Is this 65 right here?
Yeah.
Okay. What is this? What is 60? What's this number right here? Right here. This number?
This is 91.
I'm sorry?
91.
Okay, and this one right here?
104.
That's 104? Okay. Okay. All right. So have you found the least common multiple? Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. Now I'm realizing it.
No, it's okay.
It is. I'll come back. I'll do it again.
I was about to start erasing, but I wanted you to kind of reflect first.
Yeah.
So
And this is 78.
Here, I'm going to erase all this.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Again, that's what I'm here for. I just don't want to intervene too quickly.
91. I missed 78.
Okay, so.
And so 70, here comes continuing seventh one. Seventh. Number 7. So it is 77. 12 times 7 is 84. 12 times 8 is 96. Did I miss anything? 84, 70. Is it can't determine?
No, it is not can't determine.
91.
If you want, we can. Let me keep walking you through, or go ahead and keep looking at your work. Maybe your 13s here, because 13. Make sure that you're 13.
I'll erase everything and come back again for 13, so it might be easier for me to find the right answer. Is that okay?
Yes, that is absolutely fine.
Okay. 13. 26. 49. 52. 65. 78. 91.
Now look, okay, so look at your 7. 7 times, not 11, not 7 times 12. What's 7 times 13?
91.
Yeah, and at the bottom, look at your answer was down here. Right here, it says 96. So now that we have these numbers nicely more lined up, now you can kind of see and you can kind of say, okay, so, and yes, this one here is
91 is the answer then.
Yes.
Thank you for helping me.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And I sorry I didn't help more. I just wanted you, I saw and you were getting it. You were right there. I just wanted to let you know that little bit. Other than that, your computing, your multiplication, you were doing amazing. And you're computing very fast and you're doing a great job. So, okay, I believe possibly one more and then this is it. And then we're moving on.
Thank you. This is least, so it's 12, 15, and 20. 12. Six. 8.
Very good.
15. 30. Sorry. Your $60.
Very good. Okay, so right here, stop and like look at the answers.
60 is the common number so far.
Very good. Okay, yeah.
So 20, 40, and 60. So 60 is the right answer.
Very good. Again, 100%. Putting a big star. Good job. Their smiley face. That one, very, very easy. Very good job. I think, when you have those greatest common factors and you get up in those double digits sometimes, it can be a little, much for our brains to kind of think about. But now looking back at these last 3 exit tickets, how do you feel now that you've gone through greatest common factor, least common multiple, and least common multiple again of the 3? So how do you feel you did in the lesson overall?
I understood what is greatest common factor and least common multiple, but I'm struggling a bit in multiplication.
Okay.
But you helped me a lot. Thank you for that.
Okay, great. So do you greatest common factor? If I ask you really quick, what is greatest common factor? What is greatest common factor to you?
This is which both numbers when
like let's say 6. Just do a couple. What's greatest common factor of 6?
6 into 2 is equal to 12.
Okay, all right.
So
those are factors. Yes,
multiplying 2
12.
numbers and lower common multiple is
If it was
6, 12.
Yes, exactly. Okay, all right, very good, very, very good. So overall, you have it. I will say that I think that, you have mastered, you do understand the basic concepts. I think a little more practice, we can have a little more practice, and that can either be in another lesson or that can be with some of the worksheets that we're going to be sending you after this lesson, okay? But as far as I'm concerned, you're computing and everything. You did a great job. You did it quickly. I'm giving you a star. I think you've learned a lot in this lesson. You've really mastered a lot in this lesson, but I do think some further practice going ahead will be good, okay?
Thank you.
So thank you, and I look forward to our next tutoring session, okay? I'm trying to make a smiley face over here. I don't know why.
This is for you, and I like the class very much. Thank you.
You're so sweet. Thank you so much. You have been an A++ student. So thank you so much. And I look forward to working with you soon, okay?
Thank you. Bye-bye, you too.
Thank you. Bye.